So as a contractor, what are the challenges you are currently having? And so you have to go in there and try to figure it out. You don't have time because you have to deal with your overall business, and you have to go out there in the field and try to help out wherever you can. And even if you do have the time, well, it's going to take you time to understand the system and then implement it and then show someone else to do it. If you have that problem right now, give us a call. You're going to have to hire someone else to teach them to understand the system. But then there's going to be challenges there because not everyone is tech savvy. At the end of the day, you want something that is ready to go.